Whoa. This side. Massive. Yeah. That's no good. Got a chip on the side. Should have checked that. No, I don't like that. Right. This can get put down to that one. Got a tape. Ten. Alright, let's go again. Beauty.
Tom's struggling.
Obviously, it's got no fuel in it, man.
Needs fuel.
Anyway.
Good morning. The steps are done, meaning this area on the bottom now is finished other than gravel and fence. I think we're coming back for fence. But yeah, that, casually walking backwards, that makes this area look so much better now. Just when we were looking at them with Breeze, it just looked so shabby and stuff, but that really finishes it off. So now our Tom's laying up there, and I'm gonna do the flag down here. So I've done a mark, let me show you. So I've done the marks, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flags. So we're gonna leave them 2 out, and then when we prep these 2 areas, for AstroTurf we can still walk in with barriers without knocking everything about and chipping corners and stuff. So I'm going to lay these 3, then I'm going to go up into that corner and do all the cuts down to Tom. Tom's working here and he's going to be going across down there. But it's now just coming up to 12 o'clock and we were here today at 8 o'clock on the dot. Normally we're going to suppliers, doing this, doing that. Early today, we were proper early today. Tom had van, so he had to, oh God, he's going to have to de-ice it and stuff anyway. He were early picking me up. So yeah, it's all porcelain today once again. But that we're working, it's Thursday today, so Friday tomorrow, and then Tom's in Saturday. I'm at Leeds Millwall game, and then I'm in Sunday. And then we've got Monday, Tuesday, so I think this garden will be done. The fence is extra, so if we haven't got time, then obviously you just come back for that. But fencing wise, being a fencing extraordinaire like myself, then we can just nip back and do it Friday, Saturday or something like that. Come off at other job and do that. But yeah, just look at Tommy. Under pressure. So he didn't breathe then, did you hear him? Didn't breathe. But yeah, to get this path done while he's doing that. See you soon. That looks good now, doesn't it? Ooh, getting better and better. So Tom's done this section down here, and I've just started this up here. Just put tops of them bricks on, top layer. Dry mix underneath, bit of hardcore mixed in with it, and then them 2 flags ready for all these cuts. Another day. Let me show you down bottom end. So that's how it looks from down here. Bit mucky, but steps look mega, don't they? And then the next step is going up at the top tomorrow once the 2 AstroTurfs in and we've sparrowed all your material in. Then a lot will get finished. But yeah, it looks sick now. I love it. Every day we do, it's a day less. I love it. It's got to keep going. So yeah, getting that bottom area done just makes the job feel done, literally. Like I say, AstroTurf next, either side, and then a couple of flags there, step, and then we're just working out that section down the side of the house. So yeah, it's a quick tidy up now. I'm going to put quite a lot of stuff in skip. Just got half an hour to spare. Just have to go see a job on the way home in Pudsey. So we're going to go there at 4 o'clock So there's no point going yet, because she's just not going to be in, and we're only down the road. Oh yeah, quick tidy up, and I will see you all tomorrow.